In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create game prototypes in Figma using interactive components. This is going to be a great way to visually bring your game ideas to life and allow for testing and feedback right in the prototyping stage. So let's dive in and create something amazing. First things first, head over to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool that we'll be using today. If you haven't already, open your preferred browser and navigate to Figma's website. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account. If you're not already a registered user, you can sign up for an account. It's free and takes just a few moments. After logging in, you'll find yourself on Figma's homepage. This is the hub for all your creative projects and a place where you can manage all your files. From here, you're going to direct your attention to the Design tab. Clicking on this will guide you to the workspace where you'll be crafting your game prototype. Now it's time to create your elements. Think of these as the fundamental building blocks of your prototype. These elements might include buttons, characters, or any other visual aspects that your game features. Use Figma's design tools to get as creative and detailed as you need. Remember, the idea here is to keep things simple yet effective. The goal is to create a functional prototype, so focus on key interactive components that convey your game's core mechanics. Once you've created those elements, it's time to duplicate the frame. This is an essential step for building out multiple screens or views within your prototype. Simply select the frame you want to duplicate and use the duplicate function to create a copy. This method not only saves time but also ensures consistency across your prototype's various screens. Now you're set to enter the prototyping phase. On the top menu, find and click on the prototype option. This is where the magic happens, as you can now start linking your frames to simulate a live game environment. In this mode, you'll establish connections between different elements within your frames, mimicking the transitions and interactions that would occur if your game were fully developed. With your elements in place and your frames linked, the next step is to focus on interaction. Click on the Interaction tab. This allows you to specify how each element interacts when activated, such as what happens when a button is pressed or how a character moves across the screen. These interactions will bring your prototype to life and make it truly interactive. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully created a game prototype in Figma using interactive components. This prototype will serve as a dynamic testing ground, enabling you and your collaborators to visualize, playtest, and refine your game concepts. Happy prototyping, and I hope your game development journey is both productive and satisfying.